Oh, hang on a second, I'm gonna go.
The what now?
She said, don't drop it until she gives it to you. Oh my god, that's hilarious.
Guess what?
And you get to keep it. I know you
get to
told me
keep it.
already.
I didn't know you could keep it until I read on Reddit. Someone's like, if you ask, you can keep a coin. I'm like, ooh.
Don't block, guys, just film me.
This is the most expensive vending machine purchase I've ever made.
So, it's right above us?
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna see it go.
Rotate.
Yep, it's gonna go whoop, whoop. Come on, Wi-Fi. Call Spectrum. I work at Spectrum. I can expedite it.
Alright. It was being established, you didn't want to get it, y'all get it. Hold on a second. Alright, so 3, 2, rock.
Oh.
Gonna go up and grab it.
Good. Good. Ooh. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. That's okay. As someone who's into mechatronics, that's freaking cool. that is way cooler than it has to be. Some of them have like a little camera on the top where you can watch it. There it is. It's coming up.
Oh, the blue platform slides.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
I'm gonna check them outside.
Yeah, go.
Too late now.
It is. There it is. Oh, I haven't even seen exactly what color it is. I was trying to figure it out. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. I really like that. That's pretty. Pretty. Oh, that's nice. Oh, it spins to show you. That's nice as heck.
It is, it's really nice looking part.
It spins and shows you all the angles. That's cool as heck. That's a nice looking car, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's got everything. Nice.
It has to line up so you can cut it out.
And no, I think it goes. I think. Well, we'll see.
Oh, it's just doing more show. But
Yeah, it shows it off. Some, I think I saw some cars they hook it up so it'll blink the lights.
really? Oh my gosh, oh.
Oh, that's cool.
So now just go see it. That's so cool.
Dude.
I'm gonna go out and I'll be back in a moment.
Okay.
I gotta go do my little special tag on it.
The other guy, in case you need to rid of.
Don't let me forget the coin.
Okay.
Ooh. That is way cooler than it auto should be.
Right?
That is so cool.
Oh my god.
Huh?
Okay. There she is.
The window's down. Huh.
Did you use your token?
I'm gonna grab one. Give me a second.
Have it?